Looking at district level, Central Cooperative Bank. Land Development Bank is part of cooperative credit structure. Which of the following banks provide long-term loans for agriculture? Land Development Bank. Exim Bank of India was established in 1982. The first Land Development Bank was established in 1920 in Jang city of Punjab. The Apex Institute of Agriculture Field Accreditation is NABARD. Which one of the following is different from other on bench of ownership companies credit of letter? In which year was Residential Price Index was launched in India? In 2007. The IDI was formed in 2000. Indian Industrial Finance Corporation of India 1948. Industrial Credit Corporation, Credit and Investment Corporation of India 1955. Unit Trust of India 1964. Industrial Development Bank of India 1964. Which one of the following is different from other? Uttar Pradesh State Finance Corporation. Industrial Credit and Investment 1955. Industrial Development Bank of India IDBI 1964. IFCI 1948. Small Industry Development Bank SIDBI 1990. Which of the following organization is involved in long-term industrial financing? ICCI, IDBI, IFCI all are included. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India was formed in 1955. Industrial Development Bank of India 1964. Export Import Bank of India 1982. Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction 1987. To regulate the insurance business, the government has formed Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Gopipura Committee Banking Service Reforms. Nandu Japa Committee Railway Fare. Rang Raja Committee Balance of Payment. Rekhi Committee Indirect Tax. The Indian Development Forum was previously known as Indian Support Club. NABARD lent to Banks of Agriculture and Rural Development. Government of India has established National Handicapped Finance Corporation under which of the following? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The first year when rupees were devalued 1966, rupee was last devalued in July 1991. In which year rupees were devalued twice a month 1991. The country resorted to devaluation of currency to fix trade balance. Which are the covered Kisan Credit Card Scheme से क्या covered होता है? Consumption Credit and Investment Credit.